Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add links in Instagram story. If you're using Instagram and you want to add links to your Instagram story, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app here and simply tap on this. Here's story option, tap on the plus option here, then select add to your story, and here just tap on this camera icon and you will get the camera screen. Here you have to tap on this create or text type option here. You'll see this create option. Just tap on that. And here you just have to tap on this sticker option in the top right corner. And here you just have to select this link option here. Once you have selected link, you have to add your link here. I have already copied my link. Simply paste it. Once you have added your link, just tap on this done option here. And your story is ready now. Now you can easily download it if you want, or you can share it to your story. And here just tap on this your story option, and your story will be updated or saved. And here once you have done, simply tap on your story here. And here you can see we have successfully added a link to our story. Now tap on this link and you'll get the link or the page which you have linked here. So in this way, you can easily add links to your Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.